welcome to the Olly Fodder YouTube channel. Today, we're installing yet another new turbo. Brought to you by Maxpeedingrods. It's pretty sweet. They sent it to me. We're gonna try it out. It's the smallest turbo they make, which is still kind of big for this car. But if this works, it's like not horrendously expensive. So all of you could buy one too and put it on your car. Alright, so I pretty much teed everything up. I took the old turbo out, GT2860, and this is a GT2860, very good. And we're gonna go ahead and slam it in there and see how this thing drives. Out of the way again. Okay, turbo's on there. It's not leaking. How's that? First try. Has water lines and oil lines, and neither of them are leaking right now. Pretty good. My exhaust pipe doesn't line up with my hood hole, so I'm just gonna take the hood off and we're gonna take it for a test drive. And I need to reconnect the intake track real quick. But besides that, not bad. Kinda just went in there. So, connect that, take it for a drive. Maxpeedingrods Turbo. Give it a whirl. Got it all done. Oh yeah, yeah. Now you're ready to go. Yeah, do a little loop. So far, not good. So far, turbo's too large. Not surprising. Wouldn't make a good compound turbo. Well, we took it for a drive, so that's the GT2860 on it, and it's too big. Kind of like we knew. We kind of got into the throttle right, and normally on the 2052, it's much smaller turbo, but bigger than that one I blew up. Just about as you're getting into the throttle, I don't know how many RPMs, maybe like 2,000, maybe like 1,500, it starts to come in, and by top end, you're making 25 PSI. This turbo is more like nothing, 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 nothing. Maybe at 3,000 RPM you start seeing 5 PSI, and by top end, like 4,800, I was making like, I don't know, 15 or something. Not gonna cut it for a single turbo application. I had it in mind. In fact, why Maxpeedingrods sent it to me is because I was debating doing compounds again. And so this would be a great compounding turbo to go with the slightly smaller one. So this would be your big turbo feeding a smaller turbo, and that could be pretty sweet. But it on its own is just not quite gonna work. Or it works, but it doesn't work as well as the smaller one. And we're optimizing for power and good driving. And so I'm gonna have to go ahead and swap it back to the smaller one. Mind you, so today is Sunday, and this coming Friday, I am putting it on a dyno, so everything's got to be ship shape for Friday. So now I gotta go and swap turbos back real quick and yada yada. But otherwise, we're in good shape. It's running, goes pretty good. Hasn't blown up again yet. So coming up, dyno day. Some more testing, maybe some breakdown turbo selection, but dyno day. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.